Hi, I'm Andrew Chermark with VeriDrive. Wondering what sets us apart from our competitors? Well, let me tell you. VeriDrive Insurance, we set ourselves apart with our unique counter-stool approach, ensuring your business achieves greater growth and larger profits. Our comprehensive insurance solutions are designed to minimize risks with extensive coverage options, efficiency claims management, and tailored safety training programs. We review and mitigate risks to keep your business secure. VeriDrive's Telematics Technology sets us apart. We offer real-time tracking, fuel efficiency monitoring, and driver behavior data, enhancing your fleet management and operational efficiency. We ensure your vehicles remain in peak condition with regular servicing schedules, preventive maintenance, and automatic reminders. Visit VeriDriveINS.com to learn more, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates. Drive smart, save big with VeriDrive, your path to affordable commercial auto insurance.